friends, this is the beautiful waterfall we have here. You can see the view. Okay, so here we go. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, hello, Sumit. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Good morning. So today is day 2. So we will be visiting few of the viewpoints that is there in Yarkut, and we will be going to those places, and I will show you how it looks like. Before going there, let me show you how my view looks like in the morning from my Airbnb. So this resort is located around 20-minute drive from Yarkut city, and it's called Koka Cottage. It's just a 3 BHK bungalow. We are paying 15,000 for this 2 nights 3 days stay, and we came around 4 people. But this cottage can accommodate 6 people, so you can come here with 6 person and enjoy the stunning views. The view here is absolutely breathtaking with lush greenery stretching as far as the eyes can see. Every morning you wake up to the serene beauty of the hills, the crisp mountain air, and the peaceful atmosphere that makes you feel completely at ease. So we will start our journey now. So let's go. So on the way to Yarkut Hills, we are on our way. So this amazing location, we just stayed for some couple of pics to click. So after clicking some beautiful pictures, we continued our journey and excited to explore even more of what Yarkut has to offer.
हेलो एवरीवन सो मेरे पीछे है यरकुट लेक सो दिस इज़ यरकुट लेक पार्क यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं बहुत सारा बोट है मेरे पीछे आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ विजिबल बट हम अभी जाएंगे नेक्स्ट स्टॉप दैट इज़ यरकुट बोटिंग पॉइंट.
So the entry fee for car at Yarkut Lake is around 50 rupees.
So this is boat house Yarkut. So you can see the prices here for adults, children and camera. So once you enter there is a ticket counter here. And that is the boating point.
So we have just entered the Yarkut boating point, and the entry fee for 4 people was only 40 rupees. Super affordable. If you are looking for a bit more adventure, you can also try the speedboat ride, which will cost you around 700 for 10 minutes. It can accommodate up to 8 person. It's a thrilling way to see the beautiful lakes. At Yarkut boating point, there are more than just speedboat. You can also enjoy a relaxing paddle boat ride along with few other options to explore the serene water. Okay, so here we go. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, hello, Sumit. Let's go. Oh, wow. Wow. Hi, guys. Hi. Enjoying or not?
Yeah, enjoying our lake.
And Gundu is also enjoying. The lake is surrounded by breathtaking views, lush greenery, and the peaceful atmosphere that makes it feel like you are in the heart of the nature. As you exit the Yarkut boating point, You will find a few shops where you can pick up some local souvenirs. There are also camels and horses nearby, offering a fun opportunity for a quick ride and a unique experience. It's a perfect way to wrap up the visit with a bit of fun before continuing your exploration of Yarkud. Hello everyone. So now we have came to Kiliuri waterfall. So yeah, we'll see how it is. To reach to the fall, you have two options. You can either take a jeep ride for a more adventure journey, or if you are up for a little exercise, you can hike down via the staircase. Both routes offer a chance to experience the stunning surrounding as you make your way to the waterfall. So pick the one that suits your vibes. We decided to take the staircase to reach Kiliuri waterfall, and it was definitely worth it. The climb down gives you a chance to really soak in the lush greenery and peaceful surrounding. Plus the anticipation builds with every steps makes the sight of the waterfall even more rewarding when you finally get there. And this is the beautiful waterfall we have here. You can see the view here. As you exit the Kiliuri Falls, you will find some refreshing coconut water and fruit carts being sold nearby here. So after visiting Kiliuri waterfall, it's lunchtime now and we are heading towards a unique themed restaurant in Yarkud. Hello everyone, so we came here for lunch that is called Sweet Rascal Cafe. So you can see there are many things that is written here which is very funny. One is behind me here. So yeah, this lunch was very nice here. So yeah, do visit when you are in Yarkud, the Sweet Rascal. After a great time exploring, we stopped for a lunch at Sweet Rascal, a charming restaurant in Yarkud. The food here is absolutely amazing, each dish picked with savor and made it to perfection. Not to mention the ambience is so unique and interesting, gives us the whole experience a special vibes. It's a definitely must visit spot whenever you are in Yarkud. Do visit Sweet Rascal. So here we tried pan fried fish and some soup which is really awesome along with butter fried prawn. Please do try whenever you are in Sweet Rascal. These two things are really amazing. One of the coolest thing about Sweet Rascal is the unique ambience they have created with birds and animals around the restaurants. It adds such a fun and lively touch to the atmosphere, making your meal even more enjoyable. It's not every day you get to dine with some adorable creatures nearby. After enjoying a delicious meal at Sweet Rascal, we are back on the roads ready to explore more of what Yarkud has to offer. There are so much to see and do here and we're excited to continue our adventure and discover yet another beautiful destination here. Next, we arrived at the Pagoda viewpoint in Yarkud. As we approach the Pagoda viewpoint, you will notice a number of shops lining the way. They sell everything from local snacks to souvenirs, so it's a great spot to pick up something special or enjoy a quick treat before taking the stunning views of the viewpoint. This spot offers stunning panoramic views of the hills and the valleys below. The unique stone structure resembles the pagodas and a special touch to the scenery, making it a perfect place to capture some beautiful photos and take in the serene beauty of Yarkud. Hello everyone, so this is the last destination for today in Yarkud, that is Pagoda viewpoint. You can see the amazing view that is behind me.
After enjoying the amazing view, we decided to have some fun with a bit of balloon shooting. It was a great time and we got little competitive here. On our way back to hotel, we stopped by the famous chocolate factory and wow, the chocolates here are absolutely amazing. We could not resist picking up a few to take home, and the rich creamy flavors are something you definitely don't want to miss if you are in Yercaud.
So I would like to take the ending of this vlog. So today is day 2 of Yercaud. So we have visited few viewpoints that is there in Yercaud. And in last we have visited this chocolate factory where we got some chocolates that is very tasty. So yeah, if you like my vlogs, so please like, share, subscribe to Traveling Palettes. Thank you for watching my vlog.